Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone unable to activate problem. If you have updated your iOS version or you have make a reset of your iPhone and whenever your phone will restart you're getting this type issue that your phone is unable to activate. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to use any other phone or you can also use your PC for this. You just have to open your browser here and you have to search for Apple system status. So here you have to simply search for Apple system status and open the first website from here and tap on this all services option, and from here you just have to look for a setting which is iOS device activation. You have to make sure that it is available. If you find this unavailable or it might be red or it's not green, so it might be that iPhone or iOS system is now down, so you must have to retry after almost 1 hour or it might be 30 minutes after. And after doing that, if it's not green or not red, but you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it's goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it's goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, if you have resetted your iPhone, so you have to restart your setup, which you have done. And after restarting your setup, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you have to try to check your network connection or try to connect with a different network. So here under the screen, here's a try again option. You might get an option of try using LAN. You just have to tap on that option and then select a different Wi-Fi network, or you can also use the data if you have. And after that, it might be that the issue will be fixed, or if it's still not fixed, so there's the only way to fix the issue. You have to use your PC or your laptop to reinstall the software in your iPhone. You can also use reboot name software in your PC or laptop to or again install iOS software on your iPhone, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.